It's day 3 of our Patagonia trip, and we're up early to make the climb up to Lago de los Tres. When we reach the top, we still have about 15 minutes before sunrise. We're seeing the tips of the mountains softly lit by the clouds behind us where the sun is going to rise.
It is so beautiful up here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we came up 400 meters this morning.
We made it to the top.
In about 1 hour, roughly. And we were scrambling, but it was great.
Yes. Worth the effort.
Because we're using a very wide-angle lens, it's hard to get a sense of the scale as it makes the mountains appear so small in this scene. But if you look carefully, you can see some tiny people moving about near the water's edge. We're looking to find a great composition to do justice to the scene. Normally I'd look to place some rocks in the foreground, but here I'm struck by these leading lines created by bits of remaining snow.
Okay, Marco, what do you think?
I think it's really good.
Now we just have to wait while the light improves. Now that the sun starts to appear, we have the alpenglow image that we've been waiting for.
There's Jessica sitting on the rock for us down there.
Here's the final image that I ended up selecting.
The boys.
Time to head back down for breakfast. After lunch, Colin and I head out exploring.
Decided to do our own little trek, and we've been walking now for about an hour. David knew there was a river in this area, so we pulled across this very, very undulating terrain and found our river. And now we're about to take some slow exposures of this beautiful river with a stunning background. And so very much worthwhile. Sit on this side of the river and we're both going to look in the same direction.
Spotted this lovely dead tree that we're now going to photograph from various different angles. The tree's proving to be a greater challenge than we first thought. Thinks he's cracked it right now. Even the small details of bubblegum pink flowers are so amazing here.
For once the wind has stopped blowing, So the water is crystal clear and reflective, and there's a beautiful little dead stump, and obviously it goes without saying that that background speaks for itself.
It's now day 4, and we're up early again to catch our third sunrise. I head back to the river we photographed on our first morning, looking for a different viewpoint. Heading back to camp for breakfast. Spotted this fast-moving patch of sunlight. Got one of my favorite shots of the trip. Loved this little patch of dead trees, and got another photo that I liked shooting from here.